When it comes to the natural world, few creatures evoke as much fear and fascination as big cats. Among these, tigers are often regarded as the deadliest man-eaters. Their reputation for attacking humans has been well documented over centuries. Tigers are responsible for more human fatalities than any other big cat. This fact alone makes them a subject of both dread and intrigue. The stories of tiger attacks are not just tales from the past. Even today, in certain parts of the world, tigers continue to pose a significant threat to human lives. This danger has been particularly evident in regions where human populations live close to tiger habitats. The reasons behind these attacks are complex and multifaceted, involving factors such as habitat loss, starvation, and human encroachment. Lions, another formidable predator, also have a history of attacking humans. However, they do not match the scale of fatalities caused by tigers. The behavioral patterns and ecological circumstances of both these big cats have led to varying degrees of human-wildlife conflict. Understanding these differences is essential for mitigating future attacks and fostering coexistence. In this essay, we will delve into the reasons why tigers have been recorded to kill more people than other big cats and wild mammals. We will explore historical and recent statistics, compare the behaviors of tigers and lions, and examine notable cases of man-eating big cats. Finally, we will discuss the impact of habitat loss and human activities on these dangerous encounters. Historically, tiger attacks have been most prevalent in India and the Sundarbans. India, home to the largest population of Bengal tigers, has witnessed numerous fatal encounters between humans and tigers. During the British colonial period, tiger attacks were so common that they became a significant concern for both local populations and colonial administrators. Records from the 19th and early 20th centuries indicate that tigers killed hundreds of people annually. The Sundarbans, a vast mangrove forest spanning India and Bangladesh, has its own grim statistics. This region is notorious for its man-eating tigers. It is estimated that on average 50 to 60 people fall victim to tiger attacks each year in the Sundarbans. The dense and labyrinthine nature of the mangrove forests makes it difficult for humans to avoid encounters with these stealthy predators. While the frequency of tiger attacks has decreased in recent decades, thanks to conservation efforts and better management practices, the threat remains. In rural areas where communities live in close proximity to tiger habitats, the risk of attack is ever present. The fear of tiger attacks continues to shape the lives of people in these regions, influencing their daily activities and movements. Recent data suggests that while the number of fatal attacks has decreased, non-fatal encounters have become more common. These incidents often lead to severe injuries and psychological trauma for the victims. Understanding the historical context of tiger attacks helps us appreciate the ongoing challenges faced by people living near tiger habitats. Tigers are apex predators with immense strength and agility. Despite their fearsome reputation, they generally avoid human habitations. Tigers are territorial and prefer to stay within their natural habitats, which provide them with ample prey and cover. However, certain circumstances can drive them to venture into human settlements and cause fatalities. One primary reason for tigers entering human habitations is habitat loss. As forests are cleared for agriculture and development, tigers lose their natural homes and hunting grounds. This forces them to search for food in areas populated by humans. Starvation and scarcity of prey in degraded habitats can also push tigers towards human settlements in desperate search of sustenance. Human encroachment into tiger territories exacerbates the problem. As people settle and cultivate lands close to tiger reserves, the boundaries between human and tiger domains blur. Livestock grazing near forests can attract tigers, leading to livestock predation and occasionally human attacks. In many cases, tigers attack in self-defense when they feel threatened by human presence. Another significant factor is the behavior of individual tigers. Some tigers, due to old age, injury or illness, may find it difficult to hunt wild prey. These tigers may turn to easier targets such as livestock or even humans. Such man-eating tigers are often outliers, but they contribute significantly to the overall number of tiger attacks on humans. Section 4. Man-eating behaviors. Tigers versus lions. Tigers and lions are both apex predators, but their man-eating behaviors exhibit distinct patterns. Tigers are generally solitary hunters, relying on stealth and surprise to ambush their prey. When a tiger becomes a man-eater, it often does so out of necessity rather than preference. Injuries, old age, or habitat loss can drive a tiger to target humans as easier prey. Lions, on the other hand, are social animals that hunt in prides. Man-eating behavior in lions is less common, but can be equally deadly when it occurs. The famous case of the Tsavo lions, which killed dozens of railway workers in Kenya in the late 19th century, is a prime example. Unlike tigers, man-eating lions sometimes exhibit coordinated attacks involving multiple pride members. One notable difference is the frequency of attacks. Tigers have historically caused more human fatalities than lions. This disparity can be attributed to several factors, including the larger human populations living in tiger habitats and the solitary nature of tigers, which often leads to undetected attacks. Lions, due to their social structure, are more likely to be noticed and dealt with before causing extensive harm. Environmental factors also play a role. Tigers' habitats, such as dense forests and mangroves, provide ample cover for stalking and ambushing humans. Lions, primarily found in open savannas, are less likely to encounter humans in such concealed environments. Consequently, the nature of their habitats influences their interaction with human populations. Understanding these differences is crucial for developing effective strategies to prevent and manage man-eating incidents involving both tigers and lions. Tailored approaches that consider the unique behaviors and ecological contexts of these big cats can help mitigate the risks they pose to human communities. Section 5. Notable cases: Bengal tigress and Tsavo lions. The history of man-eating big cats is replete with notable cases that have left an indelible mark on human memory. One of the most infamous man-eaters was a Bengal tigress known as the Champawat tiger. Active in the early 20th century, this tigress is believed to have killed over 400 people in Nepal and India before being shot by British hunter Jim Corbett. The Champawat tiger's reign of terror highlighted the dire consequences of human-wildlife conflict in regions with high tiger populations. In contrast, the Tsavo lions of Kenya gained notoriety for their coordinated attacks on railway workers in 1898. These lions, a pair of maneless males, reportedly killed and devoured an estimated 135 workers during the construction of the Kenya-Uganda Railway. Their unusual behavior perplexed experts and led to various theories, including dental issues and a lack of natural prey. These lions were eventually hunted down by Lieutenant Colonel John Henry Patterson, who documented the harrowing events in his book, The Man-Eaters of Tsavo. Such cases underscore the lethal potential of both tigers and lions when they turn to man-eating. The reasons behind these attacks are often complex and multifaceted. In many instances, human activities, environmental changes, and health issues in the big cats converge to create situations where humans become targets. Each case provides valuable insights into the behaviors and conditions that lead to man-eating incidents. Modern-day cases of man-eating tigers and lions continue to occur, albeit less frequently. Conservation efforts and better management practices have reduced the number of such incidents, but the threat persists. Understanding the historical context and specific circumstances of these notable cases helps in developing strategies to prevent future attacks and protect both human and big cat populations. Section 6. Theories on Sundarbans tigers' aggression. The Sundarbans, a unique mangrove ecosystem, is home to a population of Bengal tigers known for their aggressive behavior towards humans. Various theories have been proposed to explain why Sundarbans tigers are more prone to attacking humans compared to their counterparts in other regions. One prominent theory suggests that the harsh environment and scarcity of prey in the Sundarbans drive tigers to target humans out of necessity. The dense mangrove forests and tidal waterways of the Sundarbans create a challenging habitat for both tigers and their prey. The limited availability of natural prey forces tigers to expand their hunting range, sometimes bringing them into contact with human populations. Additionally, the frequent flooding and changing landscapes of the Sundarbans make it difficult for tigers to establish stable territories, leading to increased human-tiger encounters. Another theory points to the traditional practices of Sundarbans inhabitants. Local communities often venture into the forests to collect honey, fish, and other resources, increasing the likelihood of tiger encounters. The use of livestock as bait to lure tigers away from human settlements can also inadvertently condition tigers to associate humans with food, perpetuating the cycle of attacks. Behavioral factors may also play a role. Some researchers believe that Sundarbans tigers have developed a heightened level of aggression due to frequent conflicts with humans. This aggression can be passed down through generations, creating a population of tigers that are more predisposed to attacking humans. Such behavioral adaptations highlight the complex interplay between environment, human activities, and wildlife behavior. Understanding these theories is essential for developing effective conservation and management strategies in the Sundarbans. By addressing the root causes of tiger aggression and reducing human-tiger conflicts, it is possible to create a safer environment for both local communities and the tigers that inhabit this unique ecosystem. Section 7. Conclusion: Habitat loss and human activities. The phenomenon of man-eating big cats, particularly tigers, is deeply intertwined with the broader issues of habitat loss and human activities. As human populations grow and expand into natural habitats, the boundaries between human and wildlife territories become increasingly blurred. This encroachment not only leads to habitat degradation, but also heightens the risk of dangerous encounters between humans and big cats. Conservation efforts have made significant strides in recent years, but challenges remain. Protecting and restoring tiger habitats is crucial for reducing the frequency of man-eating incidents. Ensuring that tigers have access to sufficient prey and secure territories can help mitigate the factors that drive them to target humans. Moreover, educating local communities about safe practices and implementing measures to prevent human-tiger conflicts are essential components of a comprehensive conservation strategy. Human activities such as deforestation, agriculture, and infrastructure development continue to pose significant threats to big cat populations. Addressing these issues requires a multifaceted approach that balances the needs of human development with the imperative of wildlife conservation. Collaborative efforts involving governments, conservation organizations, and local communities are vital for achieving sustainable solutions. In conclusion, the deadly encounters between humans and tigers highlight the complex relationship between wildlife and human activities. By understanding the historical context, behavioral patterns, and environmental factors that contribute to man-eating incidents, we can develop effective strategies to protect both human lives and the majestic predators that share our planet. The path forward lies in fostering coexistence and ensuring that the natural habitats of big cats are preserved for future generations.